famous statue of Salzburg composer Mozart, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. By the way, he was not the Austrian composer. He's a German. Nevertheless, he was born in Salzburg, but he became very famous in Vienna and lived in Prague and other European cities. And here is one of the famous statues of Mozart ever. The streets of Vienna are not so empty. There are still more and more tourists, so you can see here the foreigner languages like Czech, Slovak, even Italian, and the situation in Vienna is almost normal like before the pandemic. Thank you for joining us, and see you soon in our beautiful European destination with our company. Thank you so much.